Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did an unboxing for a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Succulenta, which means what a beautiful succulent. Her channel is in Spanish, but she does beautiful arrangements in her channel, and she just really takes care of her plants. She wrote to me letting me know that she was sending me some plants that had suffered a little bit her in her garden because they're in the process of redoing an area, so where she had to move her succulents from one place to another. So they did suffer a little bit, but she was kind enough to send them to me so that I can take care of them and bring them, bring them back, I guess, to life, if you want to say. So I wanted to share those with you. I'll link the channel below to see if you guys want to check her out. Many of them you could use subtitle, but yeah, I enjoy, like I said, watching different YouTubers that have succulent channels. So I hope that you guys enjoy it as well. So she sent me, she was in California, she sent me this beautiful variegated Succulents. It was very heavy, so it ended up flipping over, I guess, a little bit, so it put a lot of pressure in these leaves, but nonetheless, I mean, it's a little bit hurt, but nonetheless the plant itself looks very healthy. So she will grow out of this damage. I'm not even gonna try to pick at her too much. I'm just gonna leave her alone and plant her just as is, but she will be kept in the greenhouse because right now, new plants would not handle, in my opinion, the weather of Florida right now with all the rain. We just had a bunch of rain today for hours, and finally in the evening, well, late afternoon, we started getting a break. So yeah, just wanted to show you that beautiful variegated succulent, Succulents, Succulents. And then she sent me this monster. Look at this. This is big and heavy. She's beautiful. She's got a little bit of water, hard water marks, but that's not a problem. That might go away little by little. So yeah, this is really nice. Super heavy plant as well. And then she sent me an Echeverria Violet Queen. This one's really pretty as well. So I'll plant them up and leave them in the greenhouse to watch them flourish there for a good while. Until, I don't know, until I feel that it's okay to probably bring out the greenhouse. But for now, I'll stay in the greenhouse for a good while. Anyways, it was a quick video that I just wanted to share with you guys. And again, I wanted to thank her because that was so sweet that she was sending me these plants. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for always watching my channel and supporting my channel. I just really appreciate it. That's it, guys. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.